Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll solve this equation. We have x power of 8 minus x squared over x power of 2 minus x squared is equal 9. Okay, so what the value of x? You can find this for x power of 8. You can write x squared, okay, times x to the power of 6 minus 1 over x squared times x squared minus 1 equal 9. So we have x squared over x squared. We have cancelled this. Okay, so we have x power of 6 minus 1 over x squared minus 1 is equal 9. Okay, from this we have x power of 6 minus 1 equal 9 times x squared minus 1. Okay, for x power of 6 we can write an x power of 2 power of 3 minus 1 cube 9 x squared minus 1. Okay, now if we have a cube minus b cube is equal a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so for x square minus 1, okay, x square minus 1 9x squared minus 1. Okay, use this formula for x square cube. Can write then x squared minus 1, okay, a b a square x square plus ab x square times 1 x square plus b square is 1. Okay, is equal 9 times x squared minus 1. So in this both side we have x squared minus 1. You can cancel this. Okay, x square times square x power of 4 plus x square plus 1 equal 9, or we can write an x 1 minus 9 minus 8 equal 0. Okay, from this let x square, okay, x square equal t. Okay, so we have t x x equal t. Oh, sorry. Let x square equal t. So we have t square plus t minus 8 equals 0. Okay. Okay. Can find the factor from this. Use the cubic formula. C1 2 equal is A equal 1 B 1 C minus 8 minus B minus 1 plus minus square root of B square minus 4 times A times C minus 8 over 2A. So we have minus 1 from this 1 plus 32 over 2. Okay. We have minus 1 plus minus square root of 33 over 2. Okay. So let's look the x squared equal t. We have t x squared equal t. So x equal square root of t. Okay. And then as we have 2 t 1 first minus 1 plus square root of 30t over 2, or the second minus 1 minus 33 over 2. Okay, for answer we can use the plus. Okay, can reject this negative square root. Okay, so we have the answer for x equal is plus minus square root of minus 1 plus square root of 33 over 2. Okay, this is for answer, and for this we reject negative. Okay. Okay, this is for answer for x. Thank you for watching.